Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Friends, if you not yet subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more update. Islamic Education TV Channel presentation. The Teaching of Islam lesson number 4. Let's go to start. Question: Who created you? Answer: Allah created us, our fathers and mothers, the skies and the earth, this universe and everything in it. Question: How did Allah create the universe? Answer: by His power and command. Question: What are the people called who do not believe in Allah? Answer: They are called kafir, unbelievers. Question: What are the people called who do not worship Allah but worship other things, or those who believe in 2 or 3 gods? Answer: Such people are called kafir and mushrik. Question: Will Allah pardon or forgive the mushrik or the kafir? Answer: Kafir and mushrik will never be pardoned. They will always be kept in great pain and trouble in the hereafter.